This man honked at a police car, and it ended very badly.
You better call your chief right now, you
That's not very nice. 10-4 the driver is.
10-4.
Scream for help. Get out of the car and scream for help. What law, you dumb fat is honking the horn at you?
You need to unlock the car, or I will smash that window open.
For what?
Get out. For what?
Step out. It's not everybody's fault! It's not everybody's fault! Stop. It's not everybody's fault!
Come on. Disorderly conduct and battery to a law enforcement.